Alright y'all, we on the new hunting vessel. We out on the water. First time making sure it floats. I'm on the very front. Now, I like the idea of perching up by this big log and being able, hopefully, to look over this field. It's a little overgrown, but not that bad. That's mainly where I would look out to. And then maybe over here too. I'd have to be careful though, because there is a trail running down this way. So I'd have to be mindful of anyone possibly walking in. But I like setups like this, ground setups where I can use a fallen tree like this to my advantage. I feel like I can perch up in here well. There are also a couple good trees over there. My only other concern is it's pretty, again, close to the trail. So if there's some hunting pressure over here, which I'm not sure how much there is at this place, I risk being seen or having a hunt busted, but we'll see. I like this. I love this. I mean, this is just beautiful. And I'm pretty concealed if I'm in between them big old tree trunks. I think this is cozy. I like this. Now I saw deer sign not too far up the trail from where I came from. Just some prints, but surely they come up through here. I'm gonna look a little deeper for some sign though. We got some deer prints through the mud right here. Looks like they're walking along the edge of this field. There's some low hanging oats over there too, oats. So they probably come in here, feed on them low hanging oats, this field. But there's good sign. There's a good tree behind me, which I'm not gonna show, that already has a tree stand. So you know we thinking right about it. You see this, the tops of these vegetations off because the deer be feeding them, taking off the tops right here, the leafy tops. So deer been munching right through here, like I was saying. Got that out, got I know. Look right here, man. Chewing on the end of that. Oh yeah, and then rubbing that hair. Looking like this field got a lot of grain, a lot of wheat up in here, pretty tall. So without being up in a tree, I don't know how beneficial this field is to me. So yeah, them last couple fields we checked out, pretty overgrown. Bigfoot was running around in them, but there's not a whole lot of good space to hunt on the ground on those fields. So honestly, the earlier parts that we checked in were better. So I think that's where we're going to focus on this season, assuming we continue here. So, yeah, if anything else cool happens, you'll see.